Welcome to Travel with Suri. This beautiful national park is made up of a series of amphitheaters along the edge of plateau filled with thousands of rock formations called hoodoos. Descending into the maze of hoodoos on a hike is an amazing experience. This is one of the most unique landscapes I have ever seen. Once inside the canyon, everywhere you look is a new formation and makes you wonder how the heck was that made. Welcome to Bryce Canyon National Park, Utah. The Navajo Loop Trail is the most famous trail in the park. Starting at Sunset Point, the trail descends to the Wall Street and coming back to Sunset Point via Thor's Hammer. This trail is 1.3 miles long, but we extended this Navajo Loop Trail with Queen's Garden Trail and Horse Trail. This will add up another couple of miles with outstanding views of hoodoos. We splitted this hike in two parts. We started our first hike from Sunrise Point. It serves as a trailhead for the easy to moderate Queen's Garden Trail that descends into the section of hoodoos ruled by the Queen Victoria Hoodoo. The hoodoos are formed when the limestone is eroded by wind, frost and rain, shaping it into an assortment of canyons, fins, arches and spires. Iron oxide in the rock gives it a vivid red, orange or yellow tint. We skipped going to Queen's Garden now and instead took the Horse Trail. This view is quite amazing, looking down at the switchbacks as they disappear down the throat of the canyon as though being swallowed up by the towering cliffs. That is Thor's Hammer, one of the most well-known formation in Bryce Canyon National Park, towers over the silent city from Sunset Point's vista. We reached the Sunset Point. At 8,000 feet, Sunset Point offers dramatic views of Bryce Canyon's main amphitheater. It is interesting that the cliffs looks like a mud that would easily wash away and crumple during a good thunderstorm, yet they are truly compacted into solid rock. Erosion does take its toll like anywhere else, but not at the rate that is obvious to visitors. We had our lunch after finishing this hike. Queen's Garden hiking trail is only 0.8 miles from Sunrise Point, but it is one of the famous hiking trails along with Navajo Loop. The second hike is combining the Wall Street and Queen's Garden Trail. We started our second hike from Sunset Point going down to the Wall Street. The infamous Wall Street is one of the most well-known rock formations in Bryce Canyon. It is an iconic section of Bryce Amphitheater marked by towering rock cliffs and hoodoos. If you are visiting Bryce Canyon, this is an absolute must-see. Wall Street contains a series of slow winding switchbacks that takes you to a more narrow path in which you are enclosed by a bright red rock wall on each side. We reached the Queen Garden. At the end of the trail, Her Majesty awaits. See if you can spot her among the pillars of oddly shaped white rock and have fun guessing what she is standing on. Your imagination can truly run wild looking for faces, animals and shapes in the hoodoos on the Queen's Garden Loop Trail. A convenient tunnel allows passage through one of the cliffs, and you will see an amazing view from here. From the Queen Garden Trail, the sunrise point is less than a mile with more than 500 feet of elevation gain. That is Inspiration Point. 3/4 of a mile south of Sunset Point, Inspiration Point beckons Bryce Canyon National Park's visitors throughout the day. From here, the view stretches seemingly forever as light catches the fins, spires, hoodoos, and ever-eroding canyon walls. It is like Bryce Canyon's main amphitheater is on fire, glowing with reds, oranges, and pinks. At 8,300 feet, Bryce Point offers one of the most sweeping views of the hoodoo-filled Red Rock Amphitheater. Famous for its astonishing sunrise, as the sunlight floods the top of the hoodoos with a brilliant burst of light and then works its way down into all but the deepest crevices. This north-facing viewpoint is also beautiful throughout the day. Bryce Point is a trailhead for Peekaboo Loop, a hot 5.5-mile trail which winds among the majestic red rock hoodoos, such as the Wall of the Windows and Three Wise Men Formation. Bryce Point is the iconic viewpoint of Bryce Canyon, great spot for sunset. Far View Point is a popular place where visitors gather daily to see the magnificent colors of dawn light up the canyon with rich oranges contrasting with the dark shadows. Seeing Far View Point at daybreak leaves visitors speechless. Mossy Cave Trail is a perfect hike for those looking to experience the hoodoos of Bryce Canyon National Park without major elevation change. Mossy Cave is not really an actual cave, it is a grotto that has formed from a constant dripping of underground springs. And the waterfall along the trail is not actually a natural waterfall. The landscape makes you feel like you are on another planet because there is no other place like it on Earth. Bryce Canyon is compact, one day is all you need to explore this park. Geologically, hoodoos are found all around the world, but they occur in the most abundance at Bryce Canyon. Here, hoodoos are the main ingredient of this stunning landscape. The thousands of hoodoos in Bryce are what attract so many visitors every year. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.